Another group of ectoparasiticides is carbamates. These are organic compounds characterized by esters of carbamic acid. Examples include carbaryl, propoxur, and phenoxycarb. Its active ingredients are carbaryl, methomyl, and propoxur. Carbaryl is a broad-spectrum insecticide and acaricide. It is used in dust for pig and poultry, wound dressings against fly maggots, and shampoos, soaps, sprays, and the like for dogs and cats. Methomyl is a broad-spectrum insecticide. It is used in certain housefly baits. Propoxur is a broad-spectrum insecticide and acaricide. It is used in some colors, soaps, powders, and the like for dogs and cats, and for premise and environmental treatments. Carbamates act on the nervous system of the parasites as inhibitors of acetylcholinesterase, an enzyme that hydrolyzes acetylcholine. Acetylcholine is a molecule involved in the transmission of nervous signals from nerves to muscles and between neurons in the brain. Acetylcholinesterase's role is to terminate the transmission of nervous signals where acetylcholine is a neurotransmitter. By inhibiting the activity of acetylcholinesterase, carbamates prevent the termination of those nervous signals, massively disturbing the normal movements of the parasites. The bottom line for the parasites is that they are paralyzed and die more or less quickly. Carbamates bind reversibly to acetylcholinesterase in contrast with organophosphates, another chemical class of parasiticides which bind irreversibly to acetylcholinesterase.